Welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. The recipe I'm sharing with you today is called Raspberry Sour Cream Pie. It has loads of fresh raspberries packed in a pleasantly sweet custard type filling and baked with a flaky pie crust and served with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Now let me show you how to make this happen. Now, of course, you're going to need to get your pie crust ready ahead of time. It's the flaky pie crust recipe that I have on a previous video. So I'll start by washing 3 cups of fresh raspberries. Then I'll place the raspberries in a large bowl. Now I'm cracking open and whisking together 2 eggs, to which I'll add to the raspberries. And I'm going to add 1.5 cups of sour cream. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And now I'm adding 1 cup of white sugar. 1/3 cup of flour. Add just a pinch of salt. And then I take a large spoon and fold this together. I really don't want to break up those raspberries. I want to keep them as whole as I can, but I need to also make sure that it's mixed through thoroughly enough. So I'll just keep folding the mixture over on itself. You can see it's starting to come together nicely now. Now I'm just pouring this mixture in and just smoothing it around just a little bit until it's even. Now I'm just making sure that all the filling has covered all the raspberries so that it will bake nice and even. The oven needs to be preheated to 400 degrees. And I'll place that pie in the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. Now that it's in the oven, I can't wait to try a piece. I have many favorites, but this one's right up there. Time's up. I'm going to check it now with a toothpick, and if a toothpick comes out clean in the middle of the pie, then the pie is done. So as you can see, the toothpick does come out clean. The pie is finished. Now I have to let it cool off. Now this pie can be served while it's still warm with a scoop of ice cream on top, or it can be served cold. Either way is absolutely delicious.